Good afternoon, how are you doing today?
Good afternoon, I'm doing well thank you, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Just another day at work.
I'll just get this today, please.
This is quite a small shop for you.
Yes, I did my big shop on Sunday. I'm just picking up a few things that we've ran out of at home.
That will be £5.10, please.
There you are.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Have a lovely rest of your day.
Thank you, you too. I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, what can I get for you both today?
Can I get a latte with oat milk, please?
Do you want an iced or hot latte?
Hot, please.
What would you like, sir?
I'll get a hot latte too, but can I get mine with regular milk please?
Of course. Is that everything?
Can I also get a slice of the lemon cake, please?
Absolutely. Anything else?
No, that'll be all, thank you.
Great, coming right up. Here are your lattes, one with oat milk and one with regular milk.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'll just go and get you your lemon cake. I won't be a minute. Here is your cake. Let me know if you would like anything else. Enjoy.
Thank you.
This is a really good cup of coffee.
This cake tastes really good, too. You need to try some before I eat it all.
Hello, how may I help you today?
Hi, I have an appointment today at 1 o'clock.
Can I have your last name please?
Yes, it's Hill.
Hill, can I take your first name please?
Lucy.
Lucy Hill, I've found you on the system. Which doctor are you booked in with today, Lucy?
I'm booked in to see Dr. Robbins.
Lovely, I've checked you in now.
Thank you.
Dr. Robbins is running 15 minutes behind schedule. There was a latecomer this morning and it has set all of his appointments back.
No worries. Thank you for letting me know.
Please wait in the waiting area, he will call you when he's ready for you.
Lovely, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello, I have a reservation under the name of Patrick Taylor.
Bear with me one moment, while I find your reservation on the system.
No worries, take your time.
Patrick Taylor, a reservation for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, it is indeed.
Perfect. Let's get you checked in. Please may I have your passport?
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll just take a copy of it. I won't be long.
Okay, no problem.
All done. You can have your passport back now.
Cheers.
You're welcome. Your room is ready for you now. I upgraded your room. You will now be in a double room on the 5th floor. Number 508.
Aren't you lovely, dear? Thank you ever so much.
You're welcome. The gym is located on the 8th floor, along with the swimming pool. You can find a member of staff up there to help you if you have any problems with the equipment.
Perfect. What time is breakfast served in the morning?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant over there. Please make sure to give your room number to the person on the front desk.
Lovely, I will do.
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Ah, that's great. I love a late checkout.
Here is your room key. If you have any issues, please let me know.
Thank you ever so much. What's your name?
My name is Anna.
You have been a big help, Anna.
Ah, I'm glad. I hope you enjoy your stay, Mr. Taylor.